Hi everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group, and today we're going to go over the process of creating flyers, brochures, social media cards, and postcards on our property website platform. Once you're logged into your account, you'll want to click on Manage Properties. Find the property you want to create the brochure or flyer for, and we're going to click on Edit Website, and then Brochures. From here, we'll have several selections. We can make postcards, social media cards, brochures, and flyers. For this example, we'll click on flyers. And then here you have some pre-designed templates, if you will. So we're going to pick one that we like. I will pick this one right here. We're going to click on Use This Design. And then it already populates the flyer with some information from the Overview and Details tabs. But we're going to edit this a little further. So you want to click on this magnifying glass. And from here, we can edit this flyer. So you'll see some pictures here, and obviously this doesn't look like a very flattering shot, so we're going to change this. To do that, you want to click on the image and click Change Image. Now you'll be presented with a variety of images from this shoot, and we can just pick a random one. It's going to put it where it thinks it should go, but if you don't like the way this is displaying, we can click it again and do Crop and Size Image. And then you're able to move it around within that window. Once you have it where you want it to go, you hit confirm and it's there. We can do the same thing with this, change image. We can pick a picture of the backyard. And then we can do crop and size image. And confirm. Up here we have our logo. You can change the logo if you want and put your own logo. Here we have some text. If you don't like that text that's there, you can delete that. We can also add our agent info. So I can put my headshot there. And then I can take my information and put it right next to it. Or we can put it down here. So any of these fields you can edit. You can also put a QR code for the branded property website. You can lay out the different images in different grid patterns. So if you like this one, you can do that. So there's a lot of flexibility with how you can set this up. Once you have it set up the way you like, you want to hit the Save button and then close. From here, you can click this button to display it on the property website. I usually don't do that because all this information is on the property website anyway. We can download it as a PDF to our computer. And we do have the option of ordering printed flyers to be sent right to your address. If you want to order a printed flyer right from here, give us a call or send us an email and ask us how to do that, and we'll help you out with that process. Once you have this set up and if you've downloaded it, you can go back to brochures and you'll see that it's saved now in your list of brochures. So We can go on and we can create a social media card. Let's pick this one. Very similar process. Click on the magnifying glass. This one is the just sold. Shows the house. If we like it and everything's good, we can hit save and then close. And then we can download it and post it on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter, or send it out in the email, or we can click back to brochures and you'll see it here. So any of these that you start, you don't have to finish right away. They'll all be saved down here. Or you can create multiple ones and again, they'll still be saved down here. That's the process basically. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And thank you for watching. I appreciate it.